Looking for the best mirror dash cam with a rear camera? In this video, we've ranked and reviewed the top picks so you can find the perfect one for your car. The first cam on our list is the Jansite 10-inch mirror dash cam. It's the most basic option here and comes in at the entry level of our ranking. If you're after a simple, affordable dash cam that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this could be the one for you. The Jansite records in full HD, both front and rear, and it's got a nice 10-inch touchscreen that's easy to navigate. Night vision is handled pretty well too, thanks to its Starvis rear sensor. It also offers parking monitoring with the addition of a hardwire kit and supports loop recording and G-sensor collision lock. On the downside, it lacks some of the advanced features we'll see in the other cams. There's no built-in Wi-Fi, no GPS tracking, and no driver assist features. And since it only records at 1080p, image clarity won't be as sharp as the 4K models coming up. If you're looking for an affordable starter dash cam and don't need all the bells and whistles, this is worth considering. Links to all the products in this video at the best prices are down in the description below. Next up, we've got the Veement VT10. This one steps things up a bit from the Jansite, landing at number 4 on our list. It delivers sharper 4K footage on the front camera and keeps the rear at full HD. The addition of a Sony Starvis sensor also means you'll get much better clarity at night. It's nice to see a modern USB-C connection here for easier setup. Plus, you do get voice control, which is a feature missing from many entry-level cams. It also supports up to 256GB cards, giving you plenty of recording space. Parking mode is built in too, offering round-the-clock monitoring. However, there are still some limitations. There's no clear info on GPS tracking or ADAS features, and it doesn't offer Wi-Fi for easy video transfers. It's a step up from the Jansite, but still behind the top contenders in overall features. For anyone looking for 4K video and improved night vision on a budget, this is a good pick. And hey, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Now at number 3, we've got the Pelsee P12 Plus. This model brings a nice balance of features for those who want a more complete package without going all out on price. It records in crisp 4K up front, has driver assist features built in, and includes GPS tracking out of the box. With its big 12-inch IPS screen, the Pelsee is easy to see and control. It supports smart ADAS alerts, blind spot detection, and offers a smooth 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection for quickly accessing footage through the app. It also includes a 64GB card and supports up to 256GB. One downside is that parking mode here is really just a reversing guide, and it doesn't offer full 24-hour monitoring like some of the other cams we'll get to. It also doesn't have voice control, which is a minor thing but worth noting. If you want solid 4K video, GPS, and smart safety features in a mid-range package, the Pelsee is a very strong choice. Moving into the top 2 now, we have the WOLFBOX G840S. This one really starts to feel premium, with 4K front and 1080p rear video, a massive 12-inch screen, built-in GPS, and a full parking monitor. This cam covers nearly everything you'd want in a mirror dash cam. Its image clarity is excellent, even at night, thanks to HDR processing and a high-quality lens. You also get split-screen views and touch controls, which make it super easy to use. The included 32GB card is a nice touch, and Wi-Fi lets you manage footage quickly on your phone. Some minor gripes: the rear camera cable might be too short for big SUVs or trucks, and there's no built-in license plate light on the rear camera. Night footage can sometimes get a bit grainy in very dark scenes, but overall it's an impressive package. If you want one of the best all-around mirror dash cams without going for the absolute top tier, this is a fantastic option. Finally, at number 1, we have the AZDOME PG17 Max. If you're after the very best, this is it. It pairs a super crisp 4K front camera with an impressive 2.5K rear cam, something no other cam in this list offers. Combine that with a full suite of advanced driver assist features and excellent Wi-Fi connectivity, and you've got an all-star. The ADAS system here is comprehensive, with collision warnings, lane departure alerts, distance monitoring, and more. It also supports voice control, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. The display looks fantastic, and the option for an included GPS bundle is a nice bonus. The only drawbacks: you'll need to grab a separate hardwire kit for full parking monitoring, and GPS is only included with certain bundles. But in terms of video quality and overall functionality, nothing else we tested beats it. If you want the top mirror dash cam with all the latest features, this is the one I'd recommend. That wraps up our look at the best mirror dash cams with rear cameras. If you want to check out any of these top picks for your car, the best prices and links are down in the description. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more great reviews. See you in the next one.